Carolina moon, lazy old river, time keeps floating on by. Moss hanging from an oak tree, baby, it's just you and me. Sure makes one beautiful sight. We got postcard views curled up in this rocking chair. I feel like I ought to tip my hat to the man upstairs for leaving the light on, leaving the light on, burning the whole night through, leaving the light on, leaving the light on, so I can look at you. Your pretty brown eyes, your legs that go forever, still can't believe you're mine. Come on, baby, let's take a walk, follow the path down to that old dock, and bring along that bottle of wine. That old moon so bright, just hanging up there. Feel like I ought to count my blessings and thank the man upstairs for leaving the light on, leaving the light on, burning the whole night through, leaving the light on, leaving the light on, so I can look at you. It's getting kinda late, girl, let's go back to the house. I wanna watch you from my pillow till the morning rolls around, so I'm leaving the light on, leaving the light on, burning the whole night through. I'm leaving the light on, I'm leaving the light on, so I can see you. Oh, I wanna look at you. Oh, so I'm leaving the light on, leaving the light on. Oh, it's burning through. Oh, it's burning through, yeah. I'm leaving the light on, I'm leaving the light on, so I can look at you.
Christopher Columbus didn't know the world was really round. I think it had enough of everything and wanted out of town. His friends all said, man, you're gonna fall off the edge. I'm not sure, but I think this is what he said. I'm sailing to I don't know, it's wherever the trade winds blow. Got my sails trimmed real slow, 'cause I'm heading to I don't know. There's something out there waiting for me, beyond that emerald sea. The stars are gonna show me where to go, 'cause I'm sailing to I don't know. I think there's a little Chris, some of us, the ones that don't fit in that square chasing that dollar and steal your soul. Sometimes you gotta know when to let it go and sail to I don't know. It's wherever the trade winds blow. I've got my sails trimmed real slow, 'cause I'm heading to I don't know. There's something out there waiting for me beyond that emerald sea. The stars are gonna show me where to go, 'cause I'm sailing to I don't know. Listening to your heart can't be that wrong. There's room for more. Why don't you come along and sail to I don't know? It's wherever the trade winds blow. I got my sails trimmed real slow, 'cause I'm heading to I don't know. There's something out there waiting for me beyond that emerald sea. The stars are gonna show me where to go, 'cause I'm sailing to